Yeah, what's the use of these plugins, guys? Extend the basic Gradle model. Basic structure of the graph can be extended. So add new DSN elements that can be configured. Configure project according to conversions. According to conversion, add a new task, configure sensible default, apply specific configuration, add organizational repositories or reinforce standard. So we have different types of plugins are not there. JVM language and framework related plugins. All these are Java related plugins, guys. Are JVM related plugins, right? Okay. Then, yeah, these are the plugins related to work with the native languages, C++, C, mostly C++ kind of. Oh, no, Swift, yesterday I said it is useful to generate cross-platform applications, no boss. It is useful to develop Mac OS, iOS mobile application only, iOS mobile application. Then what is there to develop cross-platform mobile application? Okay, cross-platform mobile application. I think Flutter or something is there. Fine. Anyhow, don't take stress because it is not our domain subject. Mobile application is not part of our domain, right? Okay. What is the framework that can be used? Can be used to develop cross-platform mobile application. Cross-platform mobile application. React to Negative, Meta or Facebook, Flutter given by Google. Okay. Xamarin, .NET successor, Ionic, native script. Okay. Apache, Covendra, PhoneGap, and many things, guys. Kotlin multi-platform mobile application, Unity for games. Unity for games. Okay. This is on language performance best for what? Business and startups. So business and startups, we have to. You want to learn best performance beautifully by glow with what? Flutter. If you want to, your team already know JavaScript or React, then what? React to Negative. If you are in .NET ecosystem, then think about what these things. No, it's not. It's not Swift. Swift is Mac OS, Mac OS applications only. Yesterday I thought Swift is for that purpose. No. Okay. Next one, packaging and distribution. So you want to get some output of the application development. Okay. Application. Okay. Runnable application. Provide support building JVM based runnable. Generally standalone applications, guys. This is for standalone applications or not there? Standalone applications. That's good. WAR file for web application. EAR file for what? Enterprise application. Maven publish. Provide support for publishing artifacts to Maven compatible repository. This is to publish artifacts. IVA publish. Okay, this is to publish in repositories, guys. Distribution. Make it easy to create zip file or tarball distribution or your project. Java library distribution. Provide support for creating zip distribution of Java library project that includes its runtime dependencies, right? Yes. Code analysis. Array, to analyze the code, guys. Check style. Perform quality checks on your project Java source file. PMD performs quality check on your project Java source code using PND and generates what? Associate, what? Jacaco. All these are what? Real tools also, they are given as a plugin so that through Gradle, those tools can be activated. Provides code coverage metrics for your Java project. Jacaco report aggregation. In multiple execution, some reports will come now. Okay, to get aggregation of that. CodeNARC. Perform quality check on your Groovy source file using CodeNARC and generate associated reports. Okay, PMD is nothing but what? Program mistake detector. What is there? Program mistake detector. Okay, PMD is nothing but program mistake detector. We have a plugins, guys. This is towards code analysis, right? Integration with IDE, guys. ID integration, Eclipse. Eclipse project files for build that can be opened by the IDE. This set of plugins can also be used to fine-tune build ships, import process for Gradle builds. Array, if you have this kind of thing, we can make our project ready for Eclipse, ready for. Suppose I created a project from command prompt through manual process, but later I want to make it compatible to open in what? Eclipse ID. Then it's better to add Eclipse plugin to the Gradle project or not there. IntelliJ IDEA to work with IntelliJ IDEA. Visual Studio to work with what? Visual Studio. Xcode. Generate Xcode workspace project to build that can be opened by the IDE. Maybe Xcode is IDE for what? Xcode is IDE for what? With Xcode you can build iOS, macOS, Watch OS, TV OS also support this one. Developed by AC. Yeah, it's maybe mm, it's iOS application, guys. IDE for what? iOS people. Apple people, boss. Yeah, now utility base provides common life cycle tasks such as clean, other future common build, the cleaning kind of thing. Build unit generates new Gradle build of specified type, such as Java library. It can also generate build script from what? Maven Palm. See, migrating Maven to Gradle project. This plugin is useful to create the new project. What is there? Signing. Provide support for digital signing generated files and artifact. Plugin development makes it easier to develop and publish Gradle plugin. Gradle plugin will have tasks to execute. We can execute specific task of plugin rather than all tasks. Yes. Plugin development. Project report plugin helps to generate reports containing useful information about your what build. Okay. Tell me. Working with Gradle tool with what? Eclipse ID. First, I'm trying to develop what, guys? Standalone. What is there? Standalone. Make sure that buildship plugin is installed in Eclipse ID from Eclipse 2020 plus. This plugin is what? Built in with Eclipse ID. Is there any need of taking it separately, my dear? Come on. Okay, guys. Is there any need of taking it separately, my dear? No. Create Gradle project in what? Eclipse ID. File new project, Gradle project. Select Gradle proper or some version. Either Gradle wrapper means what? No need of installing Gradle. Along with the project creation, only Gradle wrapper come. Gradle software. Gradle software comes along with what? Gradle along with what? Gradle project creation itself. Wait a minute. What is Gradle? What is Gradle wrapper? Gradle wrapper, often called Gradle W. It's a convincing script that comes with a Gradle project. Okay, it is set of scripts plus jar file and property file. It downloads uses the extract Gradle version needed for your project. Even it is not installed on your computer. Why it is useful? Version consistency. Every developer uses same Gradle version in the define this one. Avoids work on mission problem. No manual installation. You need not install Gradle globally. Just run Gradle W. It will be installed automatically or not there. Gradle W, shell script for Linux, Minix. Gradle.batch, batch script for Windows. Gradle wrapper, bootstrap jar file code, and we have a lot of flavors of that one are not there. In short, Gradle wrapper ensures that anyone can build your project with the correct Gradle version without needing to install what? Gradle manually. Without needing to install Gradle manually. So Gradle wrapper contain entire Gradle software within it. That means we can move Gradle project. We can move the project to any system, though Gradle is not there in that system. So we discussed already or not there. Gradle based project creation is giving problem. Then use what? Other options like creating by Gradle version. If that is giving problem, then we have to go for it. Yeah. What is Gradle wrapper? What is there? What is Gradle wrapper? My first suggestion is work with Gradle wrapper only, guys. In any situation, it's always recommended to work with what? Gradle wrap. Okay, no problem. Gradle wrapper based project contains entire Gradle software within it and all this stuff. See, guys, once project is created, look at the directories that are coming. SRC main Java, folder to place source code, SRC main resources, supporting files like property files, all this stuff. SRC test Java to keep unit testing code, SRC test resources, unit testing related supporting files, right? Okay, next one, JRE, project and extended dependencies, nothing but what? Like Maven dependency section is there, na? This is to maintain the jar. Okay, bin directory SRC. This SRC folder contains all this subfolder. Build.gradle.kts file where we can give instructions to what? Gradle. Build.gradle takes care Groovy based DSL code. Build.gradle.kts takes what? Kotlin based DSL code. What is there? Kotlin based DSL code. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay, that's good. We can get dependencies information required for build.gradle.kts from mvnrepository.com. And that too in Kotlin section, we can get that information or not there. In Kotlin section, we can get that information or not there. Okay, that it be, guys. Let's open Eclipse IDE. This is our Eclipse IDE. Okay, let's go by Gradle wrapper first. Problems are that, be patient. We'll sort out one by one, don't worry. New, where is this? Others, search for what? Gradle. Gradle project. That's good. Name of the project it is asking. Tell me. Gradle pros 01. Gradle pros 01. Okay. Override settings. That's good. Gradle wrapper I am taking. What I am taking, guys? Gradle wrapper I am taking. If you want, you can mention specific version also, but you can tell like what? Gradle wrapper. Okay. There's no need of giving all these things, guys. Gradle user home, Java home, all this stuff. There's no need of giving all this stuff. These are advanced options, maybe fine. If you don't give also, not a big issue, boss. There's no need of installing Gradle separately in your computer, guys. Yeah, build scans. Scan the this one. Next, automatic project synchronization. Whenever you do changes in build.gradle or its a relevant file, you need not to say synchronize separately. It should be synchronized automatically. It should be synchronized what? Automatically. Say next. Say next. So this is the place where Eclipse is giving headache. It's taking time. Gradle dependency resolution. Gradle demonstrated. First time you can run Gradle in a session, it starts the Gradle daemon in the background. This startup adds delay, but subsequent builds are faster. Wrapper download. It takes time for downloading what? Wrapper. Eclipse Gradle synchronization. Okay. Sometimes it say what? Eclipse Gradle synchronization also this. Use Gradle wrapper already used. Enable Gradle daemon in Gradle.properties. You have to enable what? True. Enable parallel build. Parallel in Gradle.properties. Okay. Gradle cache. Caching true. Enable Eclipse Mary. It takes time because Eclipse runs Gradle in the background to resolve what? Dependency sync model and validate everything before showing the project preview. What happened? Preview failed. Okay, fine. This is the headache I am facing nowadays, guys. Illegal argument, unsupported major version 65. Okay, unsupported major version 65. Unsupported major version means what? 65 means what? Java version 65 means Java version 65 means, check it out. 65 means 21. Okay, that's good. I think in my system 21 is in active mode. Let me change that to 17. Let me change that one to 17. Java hyphen version. It's a 17 only. It's a 17 only. Then I will explicitly mention Java version, guys. What is there in new? Where is this project? No, Gradle, guys. Gradle project. What is there? Gradle pros. Are be patient. It is going to check our patience. Okay. Some default location. That's good. Okay. Say next. Override settings. I don't use build scans. Nothing. Let's keep it simple. Java home. Java home. Okay. In my system, let me use what? C drive. Yeah, here is what? Users, not users. C drive, program files, Java, Java 17. I have chosen the Java 17 folder, guys. Gradle user home. Actually, Gradle I need not to install, guys. But to make it simple, let me check. Gradle is there in my system or not? Yeah, Gradle 8 is there. Fine, no problem. We'll select the version of the Gradle. We have to select the folder where bin is there. We have to select that folder where bin is there, right? Where is the error? Using Gradle home will make settings non-portable. Fine. Non-portable means actually I'm using Gradle wrapper now, boss. It will download dynamically as for the current version, right? Okay, I will not select. If problem comes, we'll try to tell. Say next. Say next. Good. Our thought is working. Gradle pros 01. That's finish. Another good news. But don't relax. When it is done, done. Gradle pros 01. Okay. Under this lib folder. Basic directory structure has come now, my dear. Okay. Let's streamline the process because I don't want to see you people facing the similar problems. Okay. Gradle project, select Gradle wrapper. Okay. Select Gradle wrapper. Yeah. Select Gradle wrapper. Select this. Okay. All these things are not required. Is this required, guys? No need of installing anything. Select from 21, 21, 17, 17. That's not a issue. Okay, 1 minute. Here, what should we select, guys? It's recommended to use what? Yeah, it's recommended to use this one or not there. Yeah. Okay, fine. It's recommended to select this one also. Okay, fine. That's good. Save it. Next, finish, guys. Yeah, we got a directory structure and we are understanding the directory structure, guys. Come on. Okay, let's see the default. Let us see the default build.gradle.kts. Oh, it's giving what? Build.gradle only, na? Fine. Okay. If it is giving build.gradle, we'll work with build.gradle only. Maybe if you take Java 21, it might have taken what? And this one. See, by default, one plugin Java library is coming. Apply Java library plugin for API implementation separation. Okay, Maven Central to work with Maven Central library. And by default, we are getting three jars now, my dear. And here, tool chain. This is to work with, to when you run the code, this is the basic version of Java that is giving. Okay, unit testing platform also coming. It's providing what? Execution platform. It is providing what? Uh, testing platform. We'll understand one by one. So first of all, let me check in dependencies section, jars are coming or not. Happily, jars are coming now, boss. Why? Because main and dependent jars. When you add the main jar file, automatically dependent jars are coming. Okay, let me comment all these things, guys. Okay, array, JUnit related, all jars are coming. Remaining related to math and Guavana are not there. Save it. But listen, when I say save, it is not reflecting. Why? Because we remove automatic synchronization, right? So what I should do? Explicitly, I need to synchronize, guys. Gradle, refresh Gradle. See, guys, that section itself gone or not there. That means this section is talking about purely dependence jars are not there. Generally, we use work with JUnit jars, guys. Okay, I kept JUnit jar, not reflecting. Then what should I do? Gradle, refresh Gradle project. Yes, it's coming. JUnit related all main and dependent jars are coming or not? JUnit related all main and dependent jars are coming or not there? Okay, that's good. Now I want to get, can we can use a starter project with Gradle. Yeah. Spring Boot starter project also we can select a Gradle there. While creating Spring Boot project also we can use Gradle as the starter, right? Yeah, that can be done. That I'll show in Spring classes. Don't worry. Right now we are working on pure Gradle project development. Okay, that's good. Tell me next one. What I want to do is I'll go to mvnrepository.com. I'll go to mvnrepository.com. Spring context support. That's good. In this one, again, Spring context support, guys. Okay, select the version. Okay, select. Right now, what we got? Build.gradle. That means Groovy based. So now let me give the code. Only Groovy was. Groovy based. This time, Kotlin based. This is Groovy short. Select these guys. If you select, it will be then. Yeah, here is my what, my dear, paste. Implementation, org.springframework.context support, save. Context support, save. Right click, Gradle, refresh Gradle. So spring related main and dependent jars are coming. Process is different, but concept is same or not there. And directory structures also more or less matching with what? Grad, Maven environment. So it's a bin directory, SRC. See, SRC main Java resources. Here are my folders are not there. SRC test Java resources. Here are my folders are not there, guys. Everyone understanding my statement, my dear? Come on, everyone. Okay. Yeah. So I think you got the idea how to deal with the dependency management. Come on. Okay. Apply specific Java tools and to use working on dependent environment. Okay. Now 1 minute. I just want to get more elaborated explanation about this part. Okay. This is very clear. This is to specify the plugins, guys. What plugins we want. This is to specify what? Repositories. This is to specify dependencies. These are actually common things, guys. Okay. We'll just go to come to this, guys. Where is this? Chat GPT. In build.gradle, explain this. In build.gradle, explain this. How to get the new line? Yeah, yeah. Shift enter, right. Java. This block of part of Java plugin configuration. Already plugin is there, that plugin configuration. It lets you to configure things like source code compatibility, tune chains, etc. Java toolchain feature, Java this one. You should declare JDK version. You should declare what, guys? You should declare JDK version you want Gradle to use. Gradle will either use mission JDK already installed in your mission or automatically download frozen the correct JDK for the build. Next, language version. This sets language version to 17. All compiling, testing, runtime tasks will use Java 17. Even your system default JDK is what? 11 or 21. 11 or 21. Okay, that's good. Example on tool chain. That's good. In short, that block means use Java 17 for this Gradle project managed by what? Tool chain system. Do you want me to explain how it differs from the way we got our setting? Earlier, some old settings are there, but nowadays we are able to mention just like version like this are not there, guys. Okay, to make this one. This is what task dot named test. Okay, use a JUnit platform. This will make DSL. This is nothing but DSL code, guys. This is nothing but what? DSL code. Explanation. Check it out. Task dot named test. In Gradle test, the default task created by Java plugin. This configures what? Test task instead of creating new one. Test.name ensure you are modifying already existing test task. Use JUnit platform. By default, Gradle uses JUnit 4. But this line tells Gradle to run the test by using what? JUnit 5. It enables running what? Jupyter vintage for 4 test other engines that are required. So what the comment I need not to worry. Why it is required, guys? Why it is required? Your project uses JUnit 5. Gradle won't test until you explicitly enable what? JUnit platform. Without this line, you will see no test find error. Okay, when using JUnit 5 annotations like at the rate test are before each. Okay, before each. Okay, what is the summary, guys? Gradle will execute the test by using this. Gradle will execute the test by using this. 1 minute. What I do is, okay, wait a minute. Copy this. Here is my explanation for this. Yeah. Yeah. Tell me next one. Task dot name test. JUnit platform. What is that? JUnit platform. What is the short form of this purpose, guys? Okay. In short, where is that? In short. Example in build.gradle. In short. Where is this? Array. Yeah, it enables. That's better now, boss. JNet 5, vintage for test. Okay. Use a JNet platform. Copy this, guys. It enables running JNet 5. Vintage is called JNet 4. Other engines with respect to this. Okay. I hope you got clarity on this statement, guys. Come on. Yeah, what it is capable of. Okay, now you understood this part, guys. Come on, everyone. Plugins Java. Already we discussed to work with certain plugin, guys, right? Okay. Repositories Maven Central. Okay, whatever the jars it is getting, it is trying to collect from what? Maven Central repository are not there. If you want, you can mention other repository, JCenter. So Bintrace JCenter repository, Google related some wording is there. Maven local. If any flat directory you want to make repository, you can make it, guys. It's a basic directory structure is there. Come on. Okay, this is the basic directory structure that is there or not there, guys. Okay, boss. Now listen. I said plugin is a bunch of task na, boss. Every plugin is bunch of task, right? Okay. Every plugin is bunch of tasks. Okay. Now, whenever you create a Gradle project, we will get some Gradle related tabs here, boss. You will get Gradle related tabs here. Okay. Super, guys. Lib. Here you observe. Here you observe. Here you observe. Set of tasks are coming or not there. Build setup. Build setup verification. These are the default things that are coming. Okay, now this list will change. If you observe very carefully, this list will change. Okay, see this. 1 minute, let me close few windows, then we will get more clarity on those. When Gradle task is there na. Okay, now these are Gradle task. Observe, this is the task list na, boss. Okay, now listen. Now I go to this build.gradle. I'll change this plugin name. I'll change this plugin name from Java library to application. Java library to application. It won't sync automatically. You know that, right? because I have not selected sync automatically option. Tell me here, where is this? Where is this? Where is this? Where are you, Gradle? Where are you, Gradle? Gradle, refresh Gradle. Now sync guys. Here application has come. In that one, run option has come now, boss. Did you notice there is a run option? Okay. So that means the number of tasks are changing based on the plugin I used or not there. See, Java library, no need of execution. That's where run task is not there. Java application, it's a project to execute, standalone project to execute. That's why it is giving me run option are not there. So that's why now onwards, what two things are very important for us? Plugin name and task. Sir, can I use more than one plugin at a time? Why not? You can use. Okay, now I'm not treating anything seriously. I'm just telling each section, guys. Okay, here I have taken where. What is there? Where. This is the reason why they have not given separate archetypes. Based on the plugin, tasks are decided. So one project that can be used as web application, that can be used as what? Standalone application. So now where, guys? Now, first of all, what should I say? A refresh Gradle project. What is there? Refresh Gradle project. Now you observe lib, guys, not this. Where is this build? Yeah, this where task is there now, boss. Where task. Application means run task has come. Now in this one, what task has come? Where task has come. Are you getting my point there? So that means plugins are very, very important or not there. Okay, that's good. Actually, I installed Gradle in my system, guys. But did I select that version while creating this project? No. If you want, you can delete it. Gradle is not required in your computer. Okay. So I'll delete, guys. If needed, we'll download one more thing. Anyhow, that's not a latest version also, right? Let me give the feeling. In this mission, there is no Gradle. In this mission, there is no Gradle, boss. And moreover, it is not under utilization. That's why it is allowing me to delete the software. Okay. Okay. Now I would like to get same task from the command prompt. Here I'm getting list of tasks. I'm happy, guys. Okay. When I select any task execution related messages will come in execution. Will come in what? Execution. How to execute each task we'll discuss later. Okay. Now right click on this, guys. Properties. Go to the folder. Go to the folder. Okay, I have gone to folder. Here is my what? CMD. Okay. Gradle. Any spell mistake, guys? 1 minute. Tools 501. Wrong, na? I have to get into project folder. I have to get into project folder, not the workspace folder, right? Yeah. Okay. Gradle W. Actually, it's coming automatically if you observe. Gradle W is coming or not there. Welcome to Gradle 8.1.1. Okay. So I'm initializing Gradle W. All this stuff here are not there. Okay, guys. Tell me, I think there is a command called, it's been long time using Gradle. Gradle, I forgot. How to get all tasks. How to get all tasks of Gradle. Yeah, syntax, don't worry. Something is there, I know that, but what is that, I don't know. Then what to do? Okay, fine. How to get a list of tasks using Gradle W command at using Gradle W command at command prompt. Okay. I think there is a command called Gradle W tasks. Okay, Gradle W task. I know, Ra. Okay, it happens, my dear. I am also a human being. It's giving me list of tasks now, boss. Category wise, it is giving task checked out. These are what? Build task. These are build related tasks because where is there? Build setup task. These are common, boss. We need to wrapper. Documentation tasks. Java doc. Help related tasks. Help related task. Next one. Verification task. Okay. Okay. All these are the tasks only. These are the different tasks that are there, guys. These are the various tasks that are there. And this task will change. List will change. Especially build task list will change based on the plugin I use or not there. Right now I got where na? Okay. So now I'll just go there. I'll just go there. I'll just put to Java only. I'll just put to Java. Right click, Gradle, refresh Gradle process. Refresh Gradle process. Here also refresh option is there, guys. Here also refresh option is there. That's good. In this lib, not lib, build, guys. In this build, is there any var option this time? Is there any run option this time? Not there. So that means based on the plugin we use, tell me guys, based on the plugin we use, their purpose is decided or not there. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay, same thing we can do here also, guys. Gradle W. See, I have not installed Gradle in my system, but Gradle wrapper is bringing Gradle software to my computer or not there. Gradle W tasks. Gradle W what task? Okay. So in the build task list, guys, what list, guys? Build task. This time where is not there? Did you notice that, my dear? Are you understanding my statement, boss? Okay. Okay, guys. Tell me, guys. Help. Build task. Build dependencies. Assemble test project. All the depend on. Build needed. Dependencies. Okay, guys. Yeah. 1 minute. You have there is a small task that you want to run, guys. Gradle W. Tell me. Dependencies. Spell is right now. Dependencies. Gradle W dependencies. Okay. Gradle W dependencies. No configuration. A web-based searchable dependency report available by adding scan option. Actually, we can get dependency hierarchy also. We can get what? Dependency hierarchy. What is the task we have got? What is the task we have got? Okay, fine. We'll take up all the tasks one by one. At least you got the idea, basic idea how to get the list of tasks, guys. How to get the list of tasks. You understood my statement, guys? Okay, guys. Tell me how to get list of tasks based on the okay Gradle plugins that are configured based on the Gradle plugins that are configured. Okay, answer number one. What is there? Answer number one. Okay, once the Gradle project is created, what created? Once the Gradle project is what created? Once the Gradle project is what created? What is that? Two tabs will be activated automatically. Yeah, answer one. This is in Eclipse ID. This is in what? Eclipse ID. This answer I am giving in what? Eclipse ID. Two tabs will be activated automatically. What is the first tag, guys? Gradle task. Gradle task. What's the next one, guys? What is next one? Gradle. Gradle task. Second one. Gradle executions. Gradle execution. Okay. This tab. In this tab, we can see, okay, all the tasks related to plugin. All the tasks related to plugin. Everyone convinced, guys? Yes. Yeah. Where is this option we can see? Yeah, because they are also same category wise tasks are given. Check it out. Category wise tasks are given. Lib is there, build is there, documentation is there, ID is there, hell. See, their category wise tasks are there now, boss. These are category wise tasks, guys. These are the tasks that are given what category wise. Initializes the Gradle build. Everything is there, guys. Cleaning purpose. Okay, fine. I'm just giving screenshot of. Yeah. Next one. Answer to using Gradle W command of command at command prompt. Command at command prompt. Okay. How to get this command prompt, guys? Gradle W tasks. Gradle W task. It's a big command is there or not there? Gradle W task. Everything is working over there or not there? This is my Gradle W task or not there? Is that fine, guys? Come on. This is about documentation. This is picture perfect, my dear. Come on, everyone, getting my point here? Okay. Yeah. Now, listen. Various plugins are introduced in boss. I just want to get some list of tasks and short line description about Java related plugins na boss. Okay, now let me give various. Okay, provide what is there? Short description about Java platform Gradle plugins. What guys? Gradle plugins along with what guys? Along with their task list. Along with their task list. Okay. Java plugin description. Add support for compilation of Java code, running test, packaging jars. Packaging jars. These are the main tasks are not there. Application plugin. Okay, main task, run initial distribution, zip file creation, tar file creation. Library plugin. Library plugin. Tell me. Extends from Java plugin for building reusable libraries. Difference from Java adds API versus implementation differences obtained. Main task, same as Java plugin, all this stuff. Java platform plugin. To use it to define platform, what is there? Bill of material that manages dependency versions across the multiple projects. Assemble, build, publish. These are the main Java related now, boss. Java text features plugin. Okay. Text features means what? Testing related, guys. Texting. Java Gradle plugin helps developing what? Gradle plugins in Java. Gradle plugins in Java. Tell me. In summary, Java, standard Java, application, build lifecycle, compile jar, all this stuff. Application, run plus packaging mechanism, library, special Java plugin for libraries with API and word implementation. Java platform, dependency palm, no code, just versions management it will do. Text feature, extra shade for test sources. Java Gradle plugin for writing Gradle plugins in what? Java. Everyone understanding my point? Oh, okay. Give me in table format. Give me in table format. So everything is coming in the table format or not there? Yeah. See, these are just Java related. I'm not talking about remaining thing. These are purely what? Java related. Are you able to see, feel it, guys? Comfortable or not there, guys? Java platform Gradle plugins review. Okay. Where is this? Explain. What is there? Explain various Java platform base. What is there? Gradle plugins. Explain various Java platform based Gradle plugins. That's great, guys. I think by this time you got the clarity, my dear. Yeah. In build.gradle, total how many sections are there, guys? Four sections are there. One is plugin section where you have to mention plugin. Based on the plugin you use, you will get the list of tasks. Then repository section, we already got how to work with different repositories. Practically, we have not started, but we got a clarity, right? That's the repository section. Then dependencies section, they are called enclosures or blocks, guys. Their dependency file information we have to write. Happily it support transitive dependency or not there. You add main jar file, it automatically take care of what? Main jar files and its dependent jar files will be captured and given or not there. Next one, what is there? Huh? What is the next one? I want reply, guys. Hmm. What is the next one, guys? Last one, that tool chain, Java tool chain, to tell that which Java version it should use in compilation, execution, or thing. Next, JUnit related some configuration is there. So there are 4 or 5 sections that are there or not there. Okay, that's good. Fine. So with this, we got basic idea about build.gradle, but that's fine. But we want to see same file with respect to what? Build.gradle.kts. But right now it is coming based on what? Build.gradle. But I have mentioned in the project build.gradle.kts are not there. Check it out. This is build.gradle.kts. Same thing. Small change is there in the syntax part, guys. Small change is there in what? Syntax part. What is there? This is build.gradle.kts are not there. Dependencies. Okay. This is there. Dependencies. This is there. I think both are having almost similar syntax, guys. You need not to worry much about that syntax. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let it be, guys. That's not a. Otherwise, we'll put like this. This section talks about section one plugin section. Section one plugin section. Where is this? Section two repository section. Section three dependencies section. Section 4, Java platform section. Section 5, testing unit testing configuration section, right? Yes. Section 1, what is there? Plugins configuration. Section 2, sections 2, what is this? Repositories section. Repositories con. Next one, section 3. Section 3. Dependencies configuration. Section 3, dependencies configuration. Yeah. Section 4, Java platform configuration. Java platform con. Section 5, what is there? Testing platform con. What is there, guys? Testing platform con. Okay, guys. Okay, this is about basic introduction about how to create a project, how to understand build.gradle. What is there? Build.gradle. But nowadays, I think back to original, they are giving what? Build.gradle file, right? And you observe Gradle W is coming automatically, guys. Gradle W is coming automatically or not there? It's automatically coming over there or not there? Okay. Now I'll try to create another project having auto build scan and automatic synchronization. So whenever I do changes, it will be recognized automatically. There is need not to do that. And this time I'll try to use the Java 21 version. Let's see whether it is giving what? Build.gradle, build.gradle.kts. Build.gradle, build.gradle. What? KTS. Okay, that's good. Yeah, project related configurations we can do by using what? Settings.gradle. Okay, that's good. File, what is next one? Project, Gradle project. See, no archetypes, nothing. Why? Plugins will decide what kind of project it is. Okay, next one, what is there? Gradle pros02. Okay, that's good. Use default location. Say next. Override default settings. This one. Browse. Program files. Let's do one thing. I don't select this also. I don't select this also. I want it should decide the version dynamically. I want this should select the decide the version dynamically. Okay, automatic project synchronization only I have selected, nothing else. First time Gradle downloading all these things taken time. This time let's see. Yeah, what's the problem? Preview failed. Semantic analysis, unsupported version 65. So default it is taking 21, but somehow it is not supporting that, right? Okay, that's good. 1 minute back. Okay, no option. It is not supporting 21. Actually supposed to support, but not supporting. What to do? Yeah, tell me. C drive. Where is this? Program files, Java. I'm selecting 17 only. Selected 17. Then I'm selecting this option, automatic synchronize. Okay, that's good. Save finish. Gradle pros 2. Observe, guys, it is Gradle wrapper has come, but it has come little different or not there. It has come. I'm not saying it has not come. Okay. But it is not synced properly. Actually, only lib should come, but it's appearing as a different one. Okay. Here, build.gradle. Maybe in current version, they are not giving build.gradle.kts, it seems. Fine. Leave it. Because both are small differences only. They're not a great difference. Okay. I have chosen this. Now you select these guys, select this. Save it, my dear. Save it. See, the moment I saved, jars are disappeared. Did you notice it? Did I say Gradle refresh separately? Okay, you are not observed. One more time. Check it out. I enabled it. I enabled it. Alright, this feature we enjoyed in Maven. The moment you save, things are reflecting, right? Okay, now jars came back now, boss. So earlier I was forced to do Gradle refresh separately, but now I am not doing it. What does it mean? Automatic synchronization is not there. If you have automatic synchronization, it would be really nice or not there. Because if you save the changes, it will be recognized. One more time. I go to mvnrepository.com, select this, already selected, but one more time I select these guys. That's okay. Tell me, build.gradle guys. What there guys? Build.gradle guys. Say paste.